You know, we talk a lot about plants that I love, but we don't talk nearly enough about plants that I hate. And this is one of them. Let me explain why. This is hedge parsley, and it is absolutely everywhere in bloom right now, especially where we live in North Texas. And it's not native to North America, and it is taking over certain parts of our native environment here in North America. But there's another reason why I really hate this plant. Now, earlier on in the spring and summer, this plant actually starts off really pretty. It's got these clusters of tiny little flowers, and they're really kind of dainty looking, and you'll even see pollinators like butterflies in on them. But a few weeks later, these pretty little flowers turn into something like this. Can you see that? It's very windy, so they're not holding still. This are the little fruits that this plant makes, which are tiny little burr stickers, and that's why this plant also has the nickname beggar's lice. And as summer progresses, every single one of these cute little white flowers will turn into a horrible little sticker burr that'll turn brown. Actually, the whole plant will turn brown by late summer, and these burrs will persist pretty much all winter long. And of course, each burr is a seed, and these seeds will cling to your clothing, to your animal's fur, and anything else they can get on. And that's how this plant spreads so rapidly through different parts of the environment. Now, this plant does get confused with other plants because there are quite a few plants that have small little white flowers like this, including poison hemlock. The main difference here is that the hedge parsley does not have any purple on the stems. The stems are fully green, whereas the poison hemlock will have purple splotches on the stems. And it could also be confused for Queen Anne's lace or yarrow or a bunch of other plants that are in the parsley family. Now, this plant can be quite difficult to manage because it oftentimes grows mixed in along fence lines and hedgerows and mixed in with other native wildflowers. So when it is blooming, and you can easily identify it, if it's not too big of an area, you can actually pull them up by hand because before the stickers develop on them, they're pretty easy to pull out and dispose of. But unfortunately, these plants are very well established in North America, and well, we're never going to be rid of them.